guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday on the next 2 hours of the Around the House show. In the first hour, Eric G talks about his top 10 tricks and tips to save money on your house for 2025. In hour number 2, Eric G has his top 10 cleaning hacks for 2025 for Around the House. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast so you don't miss an episode.
With all the power outages and stuff we're having across the country, power storage or a generator. Now, generally speaking, that generator is going to be a much more cost-effective option. But if you've got solar panels and you're thinking about maybe putting one of those Tesla wall batteries up there, or some of those, there are some rebates and stuff that there are power companies that are helping reduce the price of those because they want to be able to use it. And you're seeing this now where forward-thinking companies that are providing power out there going, hey, if we give a rebate and it's hooked up into their solar system, and we can buy that power back under load, maybe that's a great way to do this. So this is something that can be good for you as far as energy backup. The problem is, with a top load machine, nobody cleans them. So if you've ever taken one of these apart and you take the inner drum out, there's that outer drum that's back there. Take a look, it's nasty. It has oils, body oils, soap scum, all this junk back there. So what I would do is I would run that through a cycle in your top load machine as well. On hot, get it as hot as you can. Run it through there. Let that go through that system and clean it out. Because I tell you what, anytime you can get that junk out of there, that's what your clothes are getting washed in every single day. So the more you can get that other junk out of there, the better off you will. With a top load machine, since you're only going to get it running on the highest water cycle you can in there, because that's where a lot of that oils float towards the top, so you want to make sure you're running
all that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G, heard on any podcast player.
And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way.
And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device.
As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Did you have a great year in business and are worried about those deductions for your 2024 taxes? Give your accountant a call and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made here in Oregon with a dealer network in the West Coast. What I love about my Summit trailer is it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine, or a deck over, flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They've got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business at the end of 2024 with something you'll feel proud of pulling at the job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Click on the dealer locator to find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com. This is not tax advice, but hey, I bet you still need a trailer at summittrailermfg.com.